When I asked Brittany what she loved most about Ricky, I already kind of knew what she was going to say because I can see it in him as well. She loves his laid-back attitude and his loyalty to his friends and family, and in that they're very much alike, the way that they love those close to them.
Beyond always having a good time together, he displayed the qualities that very few people I've met in my life do. And that's honesty, respect, loyalty, and he didn't just display those qualities, you could tell that they were genuine coming from him.
I wish I had the words to explain what it feels like to be standing here in front of you today in this moment. To say I am blessed to be loved by you is an understatement.
Brittany, I promise to be true to you, to uplift and support you, to frustrate and challenge you, to share with you the beautiful moments of love. I promise to always be there for you, Maddie, and Haley. Can't wait to see what life has in store for us.
You taught me to believe in love and to love without fear, without even knowing you were. I am a better me because of you, and I promise to work every day for the rest of my life at being the wife you deserve.
Brittany, I promise to love you through all the highs and lows of life, even during football season. I love you.
inside my